Far across the vast blue expanse of the Pacific Ocean lies Bora Bora, a small but incredibly captivating island nestled within French Polynesia. It's a destination that whispers promises of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Imagine a necklace of exquisite islands, each one unique, scattered across the ocean like precious pearls, waiting to be discovered. Among these gems, Bora Bora is the brightest, radiating a special allure that draws travelers from every corner of the globe. Born from the heart of a volcano forged over millennia by the forces of nature, its dramatic verdant peaks rise majestically above a shimmering turquoise lagoon, creating a breathtaking contrast of colors and textures. Coral reefs, teeming with life, form a protective ring around the island, creating calm, crystal-clear waters that invite you to swim, snorkel, and simply soak in the serenity. The island is small, you can circle its perimeter in just a few hours, a testament to its intimate scale. But its beauty is immense, a concentrated dose of paradise that will leave you spellbound. Here, colors are brighter, more vivid, as if the world has been turned up a notch. The air is pure, crisp, and clean, carrying the scent of tropical flowers and the salty tang of the ocean, and the sounds are only the gentle whisper of the wind rustling through palm trees, and the soothing rhythm of waves lapping against the shore. It's a world away from the hustle and bustle of busy cities, a place to disconnect from the everyday and reconnect with the simple beauty of nature. Many call it the most beautiful island in the world, and when you see it with your own eyes, you'll instantly understand why it holds such a revered place in the hearts of travelers. Polynesia is a realm of enchanting islands, each with its own unique spirit, culture, and landscape. But Bora Bora, with its iconic silhouette and unparalleled charm, stands apart as something truly special. Its majestic volcanic peaks and vibrant, mesmerizing lagoon have inspired artists, writers, and dreamers for generations, igniting the imagination and fueling wanderlust. This is Bora Bora, a jewel of the South Pacific, a destination that transcends the ordinary, waiting to share its secrets and enchant your soul. It's a sanctuary, a haven of peace, tranquility, and wonder, where you can escape the stresses of modern life and rediscover the simple joys of existence. Welcome to paradise. Bora Bora's lagoon is, without a doubt, its most iconic feature, the shimmering centerpiece of this island paradise. It's the image that comes to mind when you dream of the South Pacific, a masterpiece of shifting blues, a breathtaking canvas painted by nature itself. The lagoon's beauty is truly unparalleled. The water ranges from pale turquoise like a gentle caress, to deep sapphire, a jewel-toned abyss that beckons exploration. It's a mesmerizing spectrum. It's so clear you can see the sandy bottom, the fine grain swirling gently in the current. The visibility is astounding. Protected by a barrier reef, a natural fortress against the open ocean, the lagoon is calm and warm. A tranquil haven, perfect for life to flourish in abundance. Marine life thrives here. Coral polyps, tiny architects of the sea, built this underwater wall over thousands of years, a testament to the power of nature's slow, steady work, creating a paradise, a sanctuary of serenity and wonder. It's a place where dreams come alive. The lagoon is the island's heart, its lifeblood, the source of its beauty and bounty. It's central to everything, providing food, shelter, and endless adventure for both its inhabitants and its visitors. It's a playground for the soul. Glide across its surface in a canoe, feeling the gentle rhythm of the water beneath you, swim in its gentle waters, feeling the warmth embrace you, or simply gaze at its beauty, letting its tranquility wash over you. Find peace in its presence. The colors change with the light, a constant dance of hues and shades, sparkling in the morning with a fresh, vibrant energy, glowing at sunset with a warm, golden embrace. Scientists say the white sandy bottom and clear water combined with the angle of the sun create these vibrant blues and greens, a dazzling display of color that captivates the senses. It's a perfect blend of nature's artistry, a masterpiece painted with light and water. The lagoon is a precious gift, a place of peace and astonishing beauty, a sanctuary for the soul. It's the soul of Bora Bora, the essence of its magic, the heart of its allure. Here, nature's wonders are on full display, a breathtaking panorama of beauty and tranquility. Every visit is a reminder of how extraordinary our planet can be, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. This is the magic of Bora Bora's lagoon, an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Encircling the breathtaking lagoon are Bora Bora's legendary beaches, each one a testament to the island's unparalleled beauty. These stretches of pristine sand are more than just a visual delight. They're an invitation to experience tranquility and wonder. They appear as ribbons of pure white sand, gracefully adorning the edges of this tropical paradise. The contrast between the vibrant turquoise waters and the immaculate white sand creates a scene of unparalleled beauty. Soft as powder, the sand is made from coral, ground over centuries by the relentless caress of the ocean. This unique composition gives it a texture unlike any other beach in the world. Remarkably, it remains cool even under the intense tropical sun, offering a comfortable haven for bare feet. The gentle warmth invites you to linger longer, to savor every moment of your time in paradise. These beaches aren't just vast expanses, they are also intimate coves tucked away and offering a sense of privacy and seclusion. They can be found on the main island, easily accessible, and also on the motus, those smaller, more secluded islets that dot the lagoon. Each location offers a unique perspective and experience. These small islets on the reef are jewels in Bora Bora's crown, each offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Each beach, each cove, each stretch of sand is a slice of paradise, a perfect embodiment of tropical beauty. It's a place where gentle waves lap the shore with a soothing rhythm, creating a natural soundtrack to your relaxation. And where palm trees sway in the gentle breeze, their fronds whispering secrets to the wind, the air is filled with the scent of salt and the promise of adventure. The only sounds are the calls of exotic birds and the gentle lapping of water against the shore, a symphony of nature. It's a place of deep tranquility where the stresses of everyday life melt away, replaced by a sense of peace and serenity. Relax in the warm embrace of the sun, letting its golden rays kiss your skin. Read a book under the shade of a swaying coconut palm, lost in a world of words as the gentle breeze rustles the pages. Or simply watch the tiny crabs scuttle along the water's edge, their movements a playful dance on the pristine sand. The shallow, crystal-clear water is perfect for swimming, inviting you to immerse yourself in its refreshing embrace, and it's safe for children to splash and play. The motus offer an even greater sense of seclusion, providing a private escape from the world. Some are completely uninhabited, offering a true desert island experience, while others host small exclusive resorts, blending luxury with natural beauty. Arriving at a motu by boat feels like discovering a hidden gem, a secret paradise unveiled just for you. These shores are more than just beaches, they are where land and water meet in perfect harmony, creating a seamless blend of natural beauty. They're places to dream, to rest, and to appreciate the quiet beauty of nature, a sanctuary for the soul. The beaches are absolutely essential to Bora Bora's magic, the very essence of its allure. Here, simplicity is not just a virtue, it's the ultimate luxury, a chance to reconnect with nature and rediscover the beauty of the world around you. At Bora Bora's center, volcanic peaks rise dramatically, cloaked in lush green. Mount Odomanu, the island's icon, towers over 700 meters high. Its jagged silhouette tells the story of the island's fiery birth. Dense forests cover the steep slopes, bursting with tropical flowers, hibiscus, frangipani, bougainvillea. Ancient banyan trees and vines create a vibrant contrast with the blue lagoon below. The air is fragrant with blossoms, and the mountains capture rain clouds, providing fresh water. These peaks are more than scenery. They're the island's green heart, home to unique plants and hidden creatures. For Polynesians, mountains are sacred, connecting earth and sky. Looking up at Mount Odomanu inspires awe, a reminder of nature's grandeur. The mountains watch over the island, shaping its spirit. Their presence is powerful, even from afar. They are a testament to resilience and beauty. Bora Bora's heart beats green and strong. Beneath Bora Bora's lagoon lies a vibrant world, the coral gardens. Coral reefs are underwater cities, built by tiny polyps over millennia. These structures shelter countless creatures, creating a bustling ecosystem. Corals come in many shapes: brain, staghorn, delicate fans, colored by symbiotic algae. This partnership fuels the reef's growth and dazzling hues. Coral gardens protect the island from storms and serve as nurseries for young fish. The lagoon's clear water lets sunlight nourish the corals, keeping the ecosystem in balance. Snorkeling here is like flying over an enchanted forest, but corals are fragile. A careless touch or pollution can harm them. We must treat these gardens with respect. They're among Earth's greatest treasures. They're the foundation of life in the lagoon. Exploring them is unforgettable. The coral gardens are Bora Bora's hidden wonder. Life in Bora Bora's lagoon is astonishing. A natural aquarium teeming with color. Hundreds of fish species thrive here: yellow butterfly fish, striped angelfish, shimmering schools of silver. Parrotfish nibble on coral, helping keep the reef healthy. Larger creatures glide through, gentle manta rays, curious stingrays, and ancient sea turtles. Spotting a turtle in the wild is a magical moment. Even sharks patrol the lagoon. Mostly shy blacktip and lemon sharks, vital for ecosystem balance. Every creature plays a role. Corals shelter fish, small fish feed larger ones, sharks keep populations healthy. The lagoon's clarity lets us witness this web of life up close. It's a living classroom, revealing the beauty and fragility of marine ecosystems. Observing these animals teaches respect and wonder. The richness of life beneath the waves is unforgettable. Here, nature's drama unfolds every day. The lagoon is alive with stories. Bora Bora is the pearl of the Pacific, famed for its harmony of lagoon, beaches, and volcanic peaks. It's a dream for nature lovers. Swim with colorful fish, explore coral reefs, hike lush trails, or watch the sunset. The air is clean, the water pure, and nature reigns. The island offers true escape and rejuvenation. Despite its fame, Bora Bora remains tranquil, with private bungalows over the water and a slow, peaceful pace. Polynesian culture adds warmth. Locals are welcoming, traditions vibrant, and their connection to nature deep. Learning about their way of life enriches every visit. Bora Bora is more than a place. It's a feeling of wonder, peace, and connection. That's why it's cherished by all who visit. It's a sanctuary for the soul. Here, paradise feels real. Bora Bora enjoys a warm, tropical climate year-round, with temperatures around 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. The lagoon stays pleasantly warm, perfect for swimming anytime. There are two main seasons: dry, May to October, and wet, November to April. The dry season brings sunny days, gentle breezes, and clear skies, ideal for snorkeling and exploring. It's also the busiest time, with more visitors. The wet season is warmer, more humid, and brings short, heavy showers, followed by sunshine and lush, blooming landscapes. Fewer crowds mean better deals and a more peaceful experience. Both seasons have their charm. Choose based on your preference for sun or solitude. Nature's beauty is always present. Marine life, majestic mountains, and shimmering lagoon. The island's rhythm continues, welcoming all who seek its wonders. There's never a wrong time to visit. Bora Bora is always ready to enchant. Bora Bora is a fragile treasure, and we must explore it with care. Coral reefs are easily damaged. Never touch or stand on them, and avoid dropping anchors on the reef. Choose eco-friendly tour operators and respect wildlife by observing from a distance. Feeding wild animals disrupts their natural behavior and can harm them. Remember, we are guests in their home. Let them live undisturbed. Support local guides and buy local crafts to help the community and encourage sustainability. Learn from Polynesian traditions. They've protected these islands for centuries. Every small action helps preserve Bora Bora for the future. Let the island's beauty inspire you to tread lightly and leave no trace. Take only memories and photographs. Let Bora Bora's wild heart stay with you. May its paradise thrive for generations. Protecting this wonder is our shared responsibility.